How to transfer US qualifications for jobs in Europe. Thinking about working in Europe and wondering how your US qualifications will fit into the picture. It can seem complicated at first, but understanding the process makes it much easier. First, recognize that each European country has its own rules for accepting foreign degrees and professional credentials. Some countries are more open to US qualifications, especially in fields like business, finance, information technology, and engineering. These areas often have more internationally recognized standards. If you are in a regulated profession like medicine, nursing, law, architecture, pharmacy, or teaching, you will likely need to get official recognition or licensing from the country where you want to work. This means applying through the national recognition agencies and providing proof of your US qualifications. Use the European Network of Information Centers, called ENIC-NARIC, to compare your US degree with European standards. These agencies help verify if your degree is equivalent to local qualifications. For regulated professions, you will need to submit your diplomas, transcripts, and proof of work experience. Sometimes, you might have to pass local exams or language tests to meet local standards. Language skills are also important. While some multinational companies or English-speaking countries may not requiring fluency in the local language, many employers prefer or requiring knowledge of the local language and professional standards. Learning the language can boost your chances of landing a job and help you settle in more comfortably. When preparing your application, adapt your US resume to European standards. Highlight your most relevant skills and experience for the local job market. Gather all official documents, including diplomas, licenses, and letters of recommendation, and have them translated if needed. For regulated jobs, be ready to submit proof of your qualifications and possibly pass local licensing exams. Even if your qualifications are recognized, you will need a valid work visa or permit for the country. Visa rules differ from one country to another, and some nations offer special visas for highly skilled workers, entrepreneurs, or freelancers. Check the specific visa requirements before you apply. Use European job platforms like Eurojobs, Com and ERS to find openings that match your skills. Networking is also key. Connect with local employers, recruiters, and professional associations to increase your chances of success. In healthcare, for example, US medical professionals must apply for recognition of their qualifications and may need to pass local licensing exams. Teachers might need additional certification depending on the country. By following these steps, you can turn your US qualifications into a solid foundation for working legally and successfully in Europe. It takes some effort, but with the right preparation, you can make your move abroad a rewarding experience.